So all, if you want to see how I made these delicious blueberry muffins, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started with the crumb topping. Right here I have 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. That's about a half a cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of unsalted melted butter. That butter's been cooled. I'm gonna give this a quick whisk here with a fork. You want to combine it all together until it becomes crumbly. As you can see, I'm about to do this right now. Okie dokie, once we have our crumb topping all mixed together, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and get working on our blueberry muffin batter. Let's go. Okay guys, so this part is optional, but I always sift my flour, especially when it comes to baking. But right here I have I have 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna sift that really quickly. Like I said, it's optional. Right here I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder and about 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. I'm gonna give that a quick whisk there. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but we were working on our dry ingredients. We're gonna set that aside and start working on our wet ingredients for the batter. So right there I have 1 cup of sugar. And to that, we're going to add, girl, what you doing? Hurry up. There you go. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Of course, that's been cooled. 3 eggs. We got 3 eggs. Those really don't have to be at room temperature, but I did take them out about 15 minutes ago. We're going to whisk that all together. See how I'm doing that? Okay, right here I have 1 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Now that is the whole milk full fat Greek yogurt. You can get what you want, but Tracey got the whole milk full fat Greek yogurt. Okay, I'm just gonna get that out of the bowl right there, and we're gonna give this a quick whisk. Okay y'all, we're gonna continue to whisk this until you get that nice smooth pale color, just like that. And now we're gonna start to mix in our dry ingredient a little bit at a time. So I got a little bit in there and I'm gonna mix those in. Okay, here I'm just adding a little bit more, as you can see, and I'm just going to keep mixing it in. So I'm just going to add in the rest of that dry, what are those? I'm going to add in the rest of the dry ingredients and just keep mixing. You guys can see what I'm doing. So as you can see, I've switched over to a wooden spoon. So I can give it a nice fold here. And there we go. I have about 1.5 cups or 2 cups of fresh blueberries. So my blueberries are in season, so that's why I got fresh, but you can use frozen if you want. Just make sure you throw them out. Here I'm just adding the rest of those blueberries. I did set aside a few blueberries to add to the top of the muffins. You'll see me do that a little bit later in the video. But before I forget, I did want to mention that I saved a few of them so I can put them on the top. Y'all know what I'm saying. I'm just going to continue to give this gentle fold here and get all those blueberries mixed in. So I got me a 6 jumbo muffin tin. I believe I got this from Target, and I got me some muffin liners and my handy dandy ice cream scoop or cookie scoop. We're gonna fill up these muffin cups. I put I put 2 scoops of muffin batter in each one. I might even put 2.5 scoops in them, but Y'all see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna finish filling up these jumbo muffin tins, and I'm gonna give it a quick shake right there, you know, try to even out the batter a little bit, make it look nice and cute. There we go. There's my crumb topping. I had to pull it out of the refrigerator, and I'm just gonna use my hand, or you can use a spoon. I'm using my hand because I'm eating these, okay? You can use a spoon if you want to, and spoon over, or you know, use your fingers and break over the crumb topping. So these are the extra blueberries that I set aside. I was telling you about earlier. I'm gonna put about 3 of them on top here to make them nice and pretty when they come out of the oven. You'll see. You guys, I can't wait for you to see the outcome. All right, let's finish this up. And along with the extra blueberries, I'm adding just a little bit more of that crumb topping on top. So this is what we're looking like. We're going to place these in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And we're back. Don't these look absolutely delicious, guys? I cannot wait to taste one of these. Look at that. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy the scenery. These smell absolutely delicious. I'm going to leave these in the muffin tin for about 5-7 minutes so you can cool off. And as you can see, I have now transferred these to my little board. There you go. These are absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you to try them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and share my video. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Goodbye.